Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Shiksha. Today we are learn use of a and an. So let's start. Broad, because B is not a vowel. A. Apple, because A is vowel. We write an. Onion, because O is vowel. We write an. Tree, because T is not vowel. We write A. Key, because K is not vowel. We write A. Ball, because B is not a vowel. We write A. House, because H is not a vowel. We write A. Hat, because H is not vowel. We write A. Ant, because A is vowel. We write an. Ice, because I is vowel. We write an. Umpire, because U is vowel. We write an. Rabbit, because R is not a vowel. We write A. Fox, because girl, G, G not a vowel. We write A. Fox, because F is not a vowel. We write A. Ink pot, because I is a vowel. We write an. Elephant, because he is vowel. We write an. Cat, because she is not a vowel. We write A. Umbrella, because U is not a vowel. We write an. U is a vowel. Egg, because E is a vowel. We write an. Horse, because H is not a vowel. We write A. Box, because B is not a vowel. We write A. Iron, because I is a vowel. We write an. Nest, because N is not a vowel. We write A. Rat, Because R is not a vowel, we write A. Gun. Because G is not a vowel, we write A. Mat. Because M is not a vowel, we write A. Eagle. Because E is a vowel, we write An. Book. Because B is not a vowel, we write A. Ox. Because O is a vowel, we write An. X. Because A is a vowel, we write An. Cow. Because C is not a vowel, we write A. Toy. Because T is not a vowel, we write A. City. Because C is not a vowel, we write A. Chair. Because C is not a vowel, we write A. Dot. Because D is not a vowel, we write A. Because door. Because D is not a vowel, we write A. Cat. Because C is not a vowel, we write A. Pot. Because P is not a vowel, we write A. Tiger. Because T is not a vowel, we write A. Tiger. Clock. C. Because C is not a vowel, we write A. Mango. Because M is not a vowel, we write A. Kite. Because K is not a vowel, we write A. I repeat. A broad, an apple, an onion, a tree, a key, a ball, a house, a hat, an ant, an ice, an umpire, a rabbit, a girl, a fox, an ink pot, an elephant, a cat, an umbrella, an egg, a horse, a box, an iron, a nest, a rat, a gun, a mat, a eagle, a book, a ox, an axe, a cow, a toy, a city, a chair, a dot, a door, a cat, a pot, a tiger, a clock, a mango, a काइट। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक शेयर ज़रूर करें और मेरे को नीचे कमेंट में बताना आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा। और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलना। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।